Hello everyone. I see that you can probably see the mess that I made. So I bought a bunch of stuff out of Amazon in the last couple weeks, and I kind of wanted to show you what I bought. So I got these lovely stencils, which I thought this was cool, the things here. But there were 32 total of these stencils, and I just bought a pack of stencils. I'm hoping you guys are able to see this. Feathers, alphabet, some cool lettering, some butterflies, some more butterflies, some flowers, and I kind of like the weight of it. It ain't like super thin, but it ain't super thick either. So, flowers. I thought this might be fun for our journal that we're currently working on with food, with the grapes. I thought that would be cool. Some fairies, a hummingbird, and flowers, and even butterflies on this one. Unique designed ones. And then this one has a deer, flowers, like a lion type look, and a crown. And I just realized my lighting on. That's probably a little brighter for you. So I'm going to put these off to the side and put them away in a minute. I bought my first jelly plate. This is an 8x10. It says right here. It's really shining off of the light there, but yeah, first jelly plate. So we're gonna fiddle around with jelly plates. I bought some doilies, but I wanted them to be multiple sizes. So it's a 36 pack. It goes to a very small one to very big. I bought myself permanent glue sticks. They work a little better than these Amazon Basics all-purpose washable glue sticks. They last me a lot longer too. Then I also bought 8.5 by 11 labels, or what I call sticker sheets. Alright, and now I wanted to show you too some stuff I bought at antique stores. So this is a scrapbook that was made in the 1930s to 1950s, and I love it because some of them actually are real pictures and everything. Some of them came out of magazines, but some of them are actual pictures, and I thought, what gorgeous. I've never had anything like this, but I personally never actually seen someone else's scrapbooks from back when, so I couldn't wait when I saw this to grab it. Then I also was able to pick up a full jar of just buttons. Vintage, new buttons. So I like that. I have to empty it and sort it out and everything else yet, but that's okay. Then I also found a music roll, or what people call piano rolls, which should be fun to play with too. I'm really excited to spend time doing this. This one is called It's a Sin to Lie, and I just found out this one was actually sang by Billie Holiday back in the day, 1942, but this one, and it was, this piano roll was made in 1952, so I thought that was interesting. And then I found someone who was selling vintage books. And this, most of this came from the antique mall. There's an antique mall in Hixton, Wisconsin, and they have such a variety because there's 85 sellers in this antique mall, so, and it's literally almost, it's more than 4 stories. It's an old schoolhouse, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I honestly did not get to look through all of it, but this is what I could find off of the top, kind of a thing. So this is 1923, and it's a hymnal for American youth. This one I couldn't actually find a copyright on it. I'm pretty sure what happened is it got ripped out. So, but it's pretty well damaged. As you can see, very, very damaged book. So, I figure, why not give it a new life? It's so damaged that there's no point in trying to resell it. And then Child of the North, which was given to someone in 1929. So, another pretty old book. 1926 is the copyright for this one. And this, it just looked pretty old and all that jazz, so I figured why not. They came in a set of 3. I didn't know much about the middle one, but I'm like, I knew enough about this one. I knew it was going to be a good one to use. And this one, I knew music sheets. Who can't get enough of that? So, that's where I ended up with these 3. So, I had a little shop. I wanted to show you my little shop because how else do you know how people collect their supplies if we don't tell you about it? I recommend going to maybe not your like run-of-the-mill antique store, maybe a consignment store or an antique mall like what I did. They're always fun to go to and very interesting to deal with. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my craft haul. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.